Hey there, guys. It's Lux back at the Silicon STEM Libraries channel, and today uh, we are taking on a project of creating a sustainability app on Flutter. We're going to use Dart, the programming language, in Flutter, and we're going to be creating an app in Flutter where basically you're going to scan a QR code of any product, right? And what it's going to do is we're going to have a backend framework where when the product pops up, it's going to show a sustainability rating on a certain scale. It's going to show the data of the product, right? And if it's according to your needs, right? If you think it's that eco-friendly for you, right? So it's just to know if a product is eco-friendly or not based on certain data that we use. And again, this project, it's not going to be like top tier advanced eco-friendly project, but it's a project we wanted to do for a hackathon, but also just a side project we wanted to try out. That especially I wanted to try out with Flutter itself. And fun fact, I don't have a MacBook right now, so I'm just making kind of the base code in Flutter. That's why I didn't use Xcode, but we're going to be using that Xcode emulator for the iPhone. So, and this is not a tutorial video. This is kind of just this is just going to be what do you call it's going to be like a project video just showing the project, right, its steps. So it's going to be kind of fast paced. But yeah, the real tutorial videos will be for this. We're going to be creating a website, so that's going to be a pretty fun one. But that's again for another video. But yeah, anyways, just check out what's happening. After the end of this small part, I'm just gonna kind of briefly go over what we've done. But yeah, I'll see you guys till then. All right, everyone. So we just finished our code for the app. Just the front end. This is just the base front end of the app with the layout of our camera. to scan, right? And an indicator of what type of QR code it is. And I just briefly rushed like the video. It was just cut short, right? But kind of at the end, I just refurbished a few things off camera because it was taking kind of a long time, and I didn't want to obviously add that part in, right? Because it would just kind of be boring for you guys. So, but basically, it was just I was just reworking with the packages. I was just successfully trying to install them, and same thing with configurations for the iOS one. I didn't want to do the Android configuration, even though I do have it right here. I'm just maybe in the future if we do decide to do it, but as of right now, I'm just pushing this on iOS. And so this FlutLab, I'm gonna be installing the actual Flutter on VS Code soon. I mean, this is also Flutter, but I'm gonna be doing it through VS Code soon. But the thing is that we are doing Flutter online, and VS Code is just kind of the general place where I do it. And so I have been using this for the past few days just to tinker around, but I will eventually go to VS Code. And also, that's why I'm using a web emulator since to just show the project because I can't use an iOS emulator right now since I don't have my Mac. Actually, I'm on a Windows machine, so my Mac is actually coming next week. So once I get that, I'll be able to display it through there. But as of right now, I'm just going to show it what it is on the web emulator. So no further ado, let's just run this. Yeah, so this is FlutLab, Flutter online. Sit back and think about the changes introduced. Yeah. So while this is building, I'll just go over kind of what we're looking for with this app. Oh wait, I think. All right, the build successfully complete. Okay, yeah. So again, this app, this part of the code so far, it's just replicating the front end. Basically, it's like a basic Snapchat UI, right? It's not like the full Snapchat UI, but you're gonna see it right in a second. Yeah. Okay, right here. So this is me right there. Oh, there. So as you can see, this is obviously not a iOS UI for phone. Um, and I already did run this, so the part where it asks for you to let's see, where is it? Um, access. Basically, the part where it asks for um, video access, right? Like, can this app get video access? I already did run this before, so that already ran. But yeah, here's what it looks like. Once I do run it through an iOS simulator, I'll scan a code. But basically, what it does is that after that, it's gonna say what code it is, and then from there we're only gonna build off. But yeah, this is the basic front end that we do have so far. So yeah, I hope you guys kind of liked this video, but also saw this project that we're doing. It's just a project, that we decided to start for a hackathon, and just a project that we kind of want to do for fun, right? Seems like a nice project after Productify, Sustainify. So, yeah, yeah. So, see you guys in the next video when I hopefully have VS Code installed and my Mac ready. So, yeah.